Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this smart band. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your smart band on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around. Let me actually undo the strap, like this. Basically you want to have it on your wrist, somewhere around here, secured tightly so it doesn't move around. And while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here to show how it works, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your smart band. And to do it, you can press on the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu, and here you should see the status option. Tap on it and your smart band should start measuring the heart rate automatically. You can see it right here, BPM, this option. So let's wait for the result. As you can see, after a couple of seconds we have our result. And if you want to measure it again, you can simply go back by swiping right and tapping on status, and it's gonna measure it again. And if you're done, you can swipe right a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.